How does Merrill Edge make money? Merrill Edge, a division of Bank of America, generates revenue primarily through fees associated with its investment products and services. One of the main sources of income is investment fees. This includes fees charged for buying, selling, and holding mutual funds, as well as brokerage fees for trading stocks, bonds, and other securities. Additionally, Merrill Edge may charge advisory fees for providing investment advice and managing client portfolios. Another source of revenue for Merrill Edge is interest income. The firm may earn interest on cash balances held in client accounts, especially if interest rates are relatively high. This can contribute to overall profitability. Furthermore, Merrill Edge may charge fees for certain products and services, such as margin loans or options trading. These fees can add to the company's revenue stream. If Merrill Edge offers banking products, such as checking and savings accounts, they may also generate revenue through fees associated with these accounts. This can include monthly maintenance fees or overdraft fees. In addition to these primary sources of income, Merrill Edge may charge fees for various other services, such as account transfers or research reports. These fees can contribute to the overall financial health of the company. It's important to note that the specific fees charged by Merrill Edge can vary depending on the type of account, the products or services used, and the client's investment strategy. Clients should carefully review the fee schedule associated with their Merrill Edge accounts to understand the costs involved.